Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can find the best workflow and automation for Close CRM. In order to do so, let's start off here at close.com, but after doing some research on the topic, I found my answer over with the Brave browser. And according to Brave, Close CRM is designed to streamline sales processes and enhance productivity through its robust workflow and automation features. One of the best workflows in Close CRM involves using smart views to identify and prioritize leads based on recent email opens up for renewal or specific industries, and then automating outreach workflows around them. Close CRM also excels in automating communication steps, allowing leads to be assigned to specific users or groups, updating lead statuses, and creating follow-up tasks. These workflows can be customized further with workflow goals, which can pause or resume active subscriptions based on incoming communications, lead status changes, or meeting bookings. For instance, a workflow can be set up to automatically assign leads to users based on specific criteria, such as a lead status or custom field value, and then send communication steps to those leads without manual intervention. This automation reduces manual work and allows teams to focus on nurturing leads to close more deals. Additionally, Close CRM integrates with various tools through its API, enabling users to send iMessage, SMS, or MMS messages without coding. It also supports integration with other apps through platforms like Make, allowing for the creation of visual automated workflows without the need for coding. Close CRM's automation capabilities are particularly beneficial for high-volume cold calling, with features like a power dialer that automatically moves to the next number if no one picks up, and a predictive dialer that routes answered calls to available reps. These features are especially useful for fast-moving sales teams. However, it's important to note that Close CRM might not be the best fit for businesses that need marketing functionality like email templates, website tracking, or marketing automation, as these features are not built into the platform. Businesses with a low volume of customer interactions might also find Close CRM less suitable due to its focus on high volume sales outreach. In summary, Close CRM's best workflows and automation features include smart views for prioritizing leads, customizable workflow goals for managing lead statuses and communications, and integration capabilities that enable seamless communication and task management. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations and our socials. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.